Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Drip. So Drip is wonderful email marketing software for e-commerce, and that's for what you should use it for. But is it actually worth it? That's the question. I'm not paid by Drip to say that Drip is amazing. I'm just going to give you my honest review. Now, let's focus first on pricing, and then we will look on main features and how we can actually work with drag and drop system, etc. So when you would go to pricing, Drip is expensive, and I'll be damn honest, comparing to Sendinblue, comparing to MailRite is much more expensive comparing to competition. So you got 14-day free trial. You don't have actually free account that you can like use like in MailRite when you got 1,000 subscribers completely for free, or Sendinblue, which offers you up to 300 emails per day. Also MailChimp up to 2,000 subscribers. So Drip is a little bit worse comparing to that. Also, when you would compare it with pricing, like 5,000 subscribers on your account will cost you about 30 bucks, I think, 30 to 50 bucks on MailRite. In 20,000 emails, let's say that you would send one email per week. In Sendinblue, they will cost you like $60. In Drip, it's $89. So again, you can see it right here. 20,000 emails will cost you on premium version on Sendinblue $65. On Drip, that's 89. So from the pricing standpoint, it's expensive. And let's just look now for the automations, etc. The one thing that Drip is winning, in my opinion, is the automations that you can actually create. So when you would go here and you would click on automations, let's go sign in and dashboard. I got to see the automations. You got the campaigns that you can create or workflows. Now you can see it right here. So I get my first automation right here, and it's quite simple. You can easily define a trigger. Let's just delete this and let me show you the step-by-step process how it works. It's complex and it will take you time to actually learn how to use it. So first you got the trigger. You can actually choose if it's PayPal, if it's Stripe, if it's WooCommerce, or even Shopify. So I'm going to use Shopify. Trigger, like which one you actually need, order payment, order updated, etc. Like checkout deleted or checkout created. So someone is going to create a checkout. Then you just add what kind of new step you would like to add, an action, right? So Drip, choose an action, flag as a prospect, send, or start the workflow, restart the campaign. You can really choose what you actually want, right? And this is how the workflow works, but it's complex. To actually learn how to specifically use it, it will take time to actually learn it. Now, the next thing comparing to Sendinblue is that this is workflow in Sendinblue. Simple, you just create it with events, with everything, and you're good to go. Much easier. Now, the next thing that I see personally is you got limited option how you can create forms, how you can create fields and everything. So first thing is that you're not going to have a lot of templates here in Drip. When I click here on new template, and I will create a template, pre-designed, I get only few templates that you can use, not too much. And let's say that I want to edit it, right? Also, the editing is limited. See, you can't do that much with your templates. With the forms, it's similar. So you got the fields here, you got the design here. Yes, okay, that you can add. But maybe if you want to add more with like editing, or you would like to do with HTML, you won't be able to do that. So that's something to think about. And when I go on a new opt-in form and I would like to go pop-up form, create a form and name it, it's like not enough templates, nothing. So this is how Drip works. It's okay, the delivery rate, it's okay. For e-commerce, the automations are complex. But in my opinion, Sendinblue, ActiveCampaign, or MailRite are better options for you to use comparing to Drip. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.